So we have 218 bucks on the account right now. Okay guys, so this trade is also closed with profit and we have around $328 on the account right now. Yep, so it's done. That's perfect. Okay, so let's change the investment. The first investment will be 85 bucks. Our initial deposit is 140 bucks. Let me draw for you the upgoing channel. Just a moment, my friends. Let me draw for you the first trend line. You can clearly see it right now. So it's done. Okay, so let's open buy position. Fine, we have done this. We have invested $85 in the buy position. It's okay. So we have 218 bucks on the account right now. Fine, so let's open sell position. It's very evident why did we do this. First of all, because we're hitting the upper edge of the Bollinger Bands channel. This is the resistance line zone. Secondly, we made the false breakout from the Parabolic. We made the false breakthrough of the Parabolic SAR resistance line zone. And now we're receiving the pullback reaction. We're trying to break through the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel right now. If we succeed to do this, then we will continue dropping significantly more and more until we reach the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands channel, which corresponds to the bottom line, support line of the Parabolic SAR indicator. According to the stochastic oscillator, price was extremely overbought, and after this we started receiving the pullback reaction and we started having the cool down. Okay guys, so this trade is also closed with profit and we have around $328 on the account right now. This looks really good. Let's continue. Yep, so this trade, this chart is almost similar to the previous one. Now we're hitting the upper edge of the Bollinger Bands channel, which corresponds to the Parabolic SAR resistance line zone. Let me draw for you the short-term upgoing channel. As you can see, price is now trying to hit the upper edge of it. Let's change our investment to $160 and try to open. Yep, I guess it will be. Just a moment, guys, please. Yeah, let's try to open sell position because we have already reached the upper edge of the upgoing channel. Yep, we could even open it a bit later, but anyway, our entry point is quite nice. By the way, my friends, while we are waiting for the result of this trade, don't forget to open the description to this video and subscribe to my private TG. Here you will find the best link which will give you access to the trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more that will help you to become professional and experienced trader. Moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and bear with me. It was lost. Oh, we lost 160. Fine, we still have around $168 left on the account. Open sell position right now. So we have open sell position in this trade once again. Because as you remember, the previous attempt was a failure. But anyway, no, come on, I see that we're highly likely to drop. Just look at the stochastic oscillator data. We're extremely fucking overbought. We can't grow with such conditions like this, we need to have the cool down. We need to have at least a short-term down-going correction. That's not possible at all. So that's why let us see what will happen. I'm sure we're highly likely to drop right now. So let's just see. Let's just see, my friends. At least we need to wait like for 20 seconds left, and we will see the result of this trade. We will see the results of it. We will see the results of it. Yep, so it's done. That's perfect. That's more than perfect. Our balance right now is $315. It will be the third trade here. Let's open one more sell position. Because as you can see, price now is going to show us this down-going correction about which I was talking the previous time. The first trade was failure. The second one was successful, and price started finally dropping. The price started reversing. Now we will see the continuation of this drop. So that's why it's the third time when we're trading the same pair, the same currency pair. But this situation looks really nice. We should get advantage of it. So that's why we're trading it for the third time. Well, $300 are invested. We just have like $15 left on the account. Well, I can say that we're going all in right now, but I think this is 100% sure opportunity for us to get a nice profit from this trade. So let's thrive on this. Let's do it. And yep, we closed it with profit, and we have $590 left on the account, my friends. This is a very nice result, and let's continue. I think we still have enough time for the last trade for today. Okay, so concerning this trade, as you can see, I have drawn for you the upgoing channel. Now price is going to grow towards the upper edge of it, and I have made the buy position. I have opened the buy position right now. I'm wasting my $400, expecting the potential growth towards the upper edge of the current downgoing channel. And yep, it's close, and we have $959 in the account. And this is amazing result, my friends, for today's trading session. Oh my God, this really looks nice. We have made around 10 times more just within 10 minutes. If you want to have the same kind of results, you can easily do this by joining my VIP channel, link for which you can find in the description to this video. So don't waste your time. Do this right now and be with me. See you all, and bye-bye.